In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a payment in Google Workspace using the Google Admin Console. Whether you're a new administrator or you just need a quick refresher, we'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, you'll need to sign into your Google Admin Console in your browser. This is the central place where you manage your organization's Google Workspace settings, including billing. Make sure you're using an account with administrator privileges because regular user accounts won't see the billing options we're about to use. Once you're signed in and you see the Admin Console homepage, look for the main navigation menu. This is often represented by three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. It's usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on that menu icon to open up the full list of sections you can manage. From this menu, find and click on Billing. The billing section is where Google shows all your subscriptions, invoices, and payment settings tied to your organization. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have multiple services running, so give it a second if the page seems to pause. Within the billing area, look for an option called Payment Accounts. Go ahead and click on Payment Accounts. This is where Google organizes the financial side of your subscriptions, such as which payment methods you've set up and what balance you currently have. On the Payment Accounts page, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your organization. Each account will have an account ID, which is a unique identifier for that particular billing setup. Find the account ID that corresponds to the subscription you want to pay for and click directly on that account ID. If you only have one subscription, you'll probably just see a single entry, which makes this part simple. After you click the account ID, you'll be taken to a detailed view of that payment account. Here, you should see a section labeled Your Balance. This area shows you how much you currently owe or if you're up to date on your payments. It may show a positive balance if you have an amount due or zero if everything is already paid. Right under or near the Your Balance section, you'll see a button that says either Pay Early or Make a Payment. The wording can differ slightly depending on whether you have an upcoming invoice that isn't due yet or an outstanding balance that needs to be paid. Click on Pay Early or Make a Payment to start the payment process. Once you click that button, Google will guide you through confirming the amount you'd like to pay. Typically, it will suggest the full amount due, but you may have options to adjust it depending on your billing setup and region. Review the amount carefully and make sure the payment method shown is the one you want to use. If you need to change cards or update your payment details, you can usually do that from the same billing area before you finalize anything. When everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the payment. After a few moments, your payment should process and your balance in the Your Balance section will update accordingly. It's a good idea to wait for the confirmation message on screen, and if needed, you can always return to the Payment Accounts page to double check that your balance now reflects your recent payment. That's all there is to it. By using the Google Admin Console, the menu Billing, Payment Accounts, and the Your Balance section, you can quickly and confidently make payments for your Google Workspace subscription whenever you need to.